Okay, hello everyone. So, this is our weekly meetings where we discuss what we have done all week in terms of progress. So, we were almost done with GitHub integration, which was mainly done by Victor and Omar. They have done an incredible job on that. So, we are just trying to merge everything back into the main branch and get everything working together. So, we'll be talking about that today, and also we're also updating our main site, in which Burhan has made some updates.
Mm.
So why don't you start, Burhan?
Yeah, sure. We finally have a landing page for our sandbox, and yeah, you guys could check it out on gitwit.dev. It would take you there, and then you could further click on it to get to the sandbox, and you guys could see. Wait, maybe I could show the site.
Yeah, you can share your screen. And think, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I made some changes, like minor changes. We had to fill in some placeholders. Obviously, we have the uh, hero section, and then we have what is GitWit, and then we got the team. We got
Mhm.
the live stream that we're currently doing. You guys could join us and help us make GitWit even better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And
Oh,
I hope
looks
this
nice.
looks pretty nice, right?
So did you change
Definitely.
the did you change it on the what's the site that we are doing this on?
Uh, I'm not. Wait, I'm sorry. What do you mean?
We created this site on a like on a site like wix.com, right?
Oh yeah, James changed it to like
Oh, the
Next.js.
code, right? Yeah. So
Yeah, I
did you,
converted.
okay, so you did make update to the Next.js code.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so looks actually good. Um,
Right?
yeah, it is.
Well, actually,
So,
that's you.
oh, yeah, yeah.
I
Yeah,
think I
that's
still
pretty
noticed
much.
the flags are not still showing. I'm just gonna take a look at it later then.
Yeah, it's like it shows up on Mac OS and like Safari
Mhm.
if you use an iPhone, but not on Windows and Android for some reason.
Yeah,
I'll make sure
I
to
don't
take a
know.
look at it.
It
Maybe I
might
should check
be,
it
yeah.
instead.
We might need to add some checks on that as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's Mac, then show the flags or something like that. I've
Mm-hmm.
done that before, so I can have a look. And also, I have a couple of suggestions.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you can, I think we can add a dark mode as well, because our main
Oh,
theme for Sandbox is dark mode. So
Yeah.
I think we can do that.
Well,
Um,
you're always preaching dark mode, and like
yeah,
I'm all for it. So yeah,
I mean,
I
James
do
is the only
support
one
that
who loves the light mode.
yeah.
light mode.
That,
Yeah, I mean
So
Victor, in this preview image, you're using light mode. Did you betray us?
yeah. I actually sent both the light and dark mode to James, but I don't know. James always
Oh,
prefers the
okay.
light mode,
but
so he
but we
shows
can
the light mode
we
this
can
time around.
probably add a GIF there. Um,
Yeah.
uh, the one that you create for the PR
Or
section.
maybe when we add the light mode to the landing page, it changes the preview changes from dark to light based on
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Also, like this image quality is like
it's
not
yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Maybe Victor, can you like maybe add? Wait,
Just
how could we
check
like
it.
make this
But
better? Because it's because of the
I think
resolution, right?
yeah. I also think Next.js automatically optimizes the image, like reduces by 80% or something.
Hmm.
Maybe
Okay.
just
Yeah,
100% for this preview.
I think we can add video. I think GIF would be
Yeah.
even
True.
bad quality,
True. Yeah.
but we can maybe add a video here. And it may. I mean, if it's a video, then we don't have to worry about it changing in the dark mode and light mode.
Mm-hmm.
So it will
Right.
video will basically show both dark mode and light mode in it. So
Okay.
Cool.
and then Yeah, everything else. I think the nav bar is too wide. Don't you think?
This one?
The
Yeah, we
height,
can
Yeah,
commit
yeah,
that.
the height also
Yeah,
noticed
yeah.
that.
You're right.
yeah, yeah. I think other than that, it looks good, and also the footer also the board is wide, kind of, but the border is also like not throughout the screen, like not wider as per the
Hmm.
screen. So you're gonna look at that as well.
Cool.
Definitely.
And yeah, everything else looks good. Just uh, yeah, and add whatever you think will make this more better.
Hmm.
Alright. I also plan to make some PRs to this code later this week too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you should. You're pretty good with
yeah,
like front end.
you're pretty good at that. Yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, and then
Um, Also tackled I tackled the one of the to-dos for the live deployment. So we're meant to have like a redirect on the sandbox.gitwit.dev. I've not yet created a PL yet, but I've done that locally. So right now, when you go to sandbox.gitwit.dev, it should
mhm.
automatically redirect to the dashboard, whether you're logged in or not. And if you're not logged in, it will redirect you to the sign-in page. But I'll create a PR for that.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
did,
yeah.
I did that as I'll create a PR for that and push that to me.
Okay,
Wait,
okay.
I have some
We won't need
questions.
the current landing page we have for Sandbox.
Wait, I think it already does redirect you to dashboard last time I checked,
Because
like in the morning. Yeah, I think so.
I think
Like
if you're
it,
logged in, it redirects, but if you're not,
If
then
you're
it
not
takes
logged
you
in,
to
then
the
it takes
it
you to
shows the
the
landing page.
the other
yeah,
landing page that we have. Like
Hmm.
just two buttons. Go to app and get a hit that button.
right.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Change that to the main landing page. So finally, it will be updated. Yeah, and I think Omar was getting um an error with the tier settings file. Right, let me have a look at that. Where was that? Tier settings. Yeah, there it is. Route.ts. Let me just. Did he talk to you about that, Victor?
No, we didn't have a lot of time to discuss about some of the changes that he wasn't making.
Okay, okay.
But he just discussed about one of the issues he was facing with the Clark authentication. Uh, don't know.
Oh,
He said he
oh
was working
yeah.
on it at the time.
So basically, tier settings has a constant which is called tiers. So I'm just gonna show that on this screen and then to see. Okay, so I think you guys can see my screen. I'm just gonna.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so this is basically ts.ts, but this is an older one, and then we're getting the error here because the anthropic model was changed when Burhan added the
Bedrock.
bedrock integration in this. So he also Burhan also updated this as well. Here he added
Hmm.
bedrock stuff. So the problem here is this is from the main branch with from 4 months ago, and it's not properly merged into the main. So that's why Omar is getting this error. The tier settings is not a file, but it's a constant here, and it extends this. So basically, this is the error. So I think after merging all of this, we will be able to solve this. And yeah, and I also wanted to see. Yeah, he did make some changes to this. So I also didn't get much time last week because I was traveling. but I'll look at this and then change it, and then let Omar know what kind of things that he still needs to do in this PR. Um, yeah, that's basically it from my side actually, because I was traveling whole week, whole last week, so I couldn't uh, work more on this. But yeah, and then from last week we had. I'm just looking at a task that we were doing.
Okay.
So yeah, so the old PR number 31 will be merged today, which was some fixes that Victor did about the code editing uh, dialog box, and then
Sorry.
I think, sorry, did you say something, Victor?
No, no, you were coughing, so I said sorry.
Yeah, thank you. And then the other thing is, I think I will need either Victor, you, or Omar in a meeting so that I can merge the main branch to the GitHub integration branch, because there are a lot of changes which I may break something if I don't, if I actually don't know what if you guys actually did this.
True. True.
So I mean, we have a list of changes we made. We made this list last time, but still, I think it would be better if you or Omar will be there in a meeting. We can discuss the time later, but yeah. And yeah, and Burhan, if you can this week, then I think you should also up. I mean, after the merge happens, actually, then it will be merged. But you can. I think we discussed this last time, but we can. You can look at the PR that we have. I mean, open router is already there, but um, did we talk about this last time? I think we
Yeah,
put
we
it in.
did. It's like what we have to do is like, because the PR that a TNT generator had some like major
Hold on.
issues.
Mm-hmm.
So the way we decided to proceed was like I create a PR to like
Yeah,
TNT's main branch, and then he could make the PR again.
yeah, yeah. Or
Yeah.
you can yeah, you can do this as well. You guys can work together and make a PR from the latest mean run so that it would not conflict with the changes that we now have. So that
True. Yeah, it's
probably or
just
or merge or
uh,
just merge the main branch to his main branch
hmm
and
yeah,
work
it's
from
just
there.
TNT was having like he didn't set up a lot of the stuff because he was working just in the code base. He didn't set up E2B and other stuff.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So obviously he didn't know how to test stuff.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So there was a gap.
Um, okay. And I'm just looking at the um, beta issue tracking document and see if we have anything else that we need to work on.
Oh, there is one more thing, the
Hmm.
backend authentication.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that is what I am supposed to work on. I
yeah.
did make quite a bit of progress, but I ran into a few errors.
Hmm.
And yeah, I think I'll have to start over because I didn't
Oh,
get enough time to like uh
to start from very start.
yeah, because I did make some changes that I shouldn't have. So I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
confused at this point. So
Oh,
I'll
okay. So
start over.
yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
It's at the point where you cannot go further and you have to
Yeah.
go back. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
need help with that, I'll be open to also join on that too. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be great because I do need a help.
Okay.
Need a
Let me
hand.
know if I can help in any way as well.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, and yeah, I think
It's because
everything
I'm not
else.
really familiar with like the backend code. So like when I'm trying to like add authentication, I don't know where to like where exactly I need to add the pauses. So I need a hand.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So and also James will be back next week, so he also will be able to help you guys in any way if you guys run into any problems.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I think that was basically it for today. Do you guys have anything that I might have missed?
No, I think that's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it for
Yeah,
us.
I'll just send the notes of the meeting in the chat, and yeah, Victor, we can discuss when we can have a meeting this week whenever we are
All right,
free
good.
to
Yeah.
get on a meeting.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.